Kanana pa.
Bawi! Bawi!
Airplane mode na ako ba? Airplane mode ra.
Nagdating tabon na turbulent or Thailand.
Airplane mode? Nya signal.
Giyon na ako bang airplane mode niya, giyon. Para ma-restart ang data. Hoy, outside! Bye!
Let's go!
Again, owner of Mitsubishi Mirage. Hanap lang ng entrance. Alas din sa center ng entrance. No? Dapat na ng motor nga na atot-atot. Blue po yung motor, silaw po. Maliog din sa owner na balhin na nato, ma'am sir, kung nakakadiha.
Nananita na isa.
Sulaw kayo sa protekto sa ating players.
Oy!
Dagay salamat.
Bawi! Bawi!
Shout out sa 2 million viewers.
Bawi!
Shout out sa 2 million viewers. Airplane mode. Udot ni mo.
May airplane mode na kung gahapon wala ni
I-standby ra mo gud ang kana cellphone para mo na signal.
Ay,
Shout-
dami naman good nga SIM.
Shout out sa 3 million viewers. Okay, nice. Bang!
Let's go, Casinos! Let's go! Let's go, Casinos! Let's go!
Nadakinas pa, nadakinas. Wala, si ma'am ko no, si ma'am Jimenez. Hi ma'am, shout out.
Last time yun, no? So, nag-yes Mirage, nakapark in front of entrance of our gym. Aliw po balin, ma'am sir. Sulaw ang reflection.
Bawi! Bawi! Bawi, bawi, bawi. Hey, shout out sa 3 million viewers yan.
Let's go, Casinos! Let's go! Let's go, Casinos!
Hi sa
Let's go!
4 viewers. Six viewers na tayo guys. Char.
Sama na, wala pa ni-like.
Ay, bye. The connection 6 na naman. Kanta mo sa live. Oy, si Jay Mosqueda, Drita.
60,000.
Oy, ay nag-heart. Care.
Kay Kantong.
Drita, gaw. Bang.
Hey!
Bang, pagap.
Let's go, Casinos! Let's go! Let's go,
Ladies and gentlemen,
Casinos! Let's
court
go!
number 2
Ala.
is number 24 of secondary boys.
Ah.
Tacos City Premier
Si ate ko, maguna oh.
versus Davao de
Grabe niya
Oro.
please kay
Let's all welcome
nakita ko
the
highlights.
officials,
Go.
players, and coaches into the court.
Wow.
Let's go, Casinos! Let's go!
Highlights na to, highlights.
Let's go!
Kinsa ni si Raymond Garcia sir. Pa. Bukod. Na.
On my right, representing Tacos
So, we're
City
back.
Premier. Leaders of the first group wearing jersey number 9, Justin Higashi. Number 12, Prince Gita. Number 25, Willow Dave Managay. Players of the second group.
Kinsa man ang highlights? Highlights sa kalaban?
Jersey number 26, Jomar Alago. Number 2,
Skida.
Players of the third group. Number Ian Balmela. Number 21, J. Lord Aban. Number 13, Mark Jared and Puerto. Reserve players number 2, Prince Ivan Borja. Number 1, Kenneth Island Westao. And number 14, Carlo J. De La Cruz. Coach Noche I. Laqueza. Assistant Coach Joseline Persigas. Our technical officials of this match are the following. Court referee, Alvin Estinor. Match referee, Elpidio De Lina. Assistant match referee, Ayan Abalie. Line referees, Ramil Miral and Merwin Fiesto. Official scorer, Neil Tabura, and our board teamer, Sherwin Polesiano. Our tournament manager, Joel Igulan. Assistant tournament manager, Sir Noel Cabezas. Players, coaches, technical officials, shake hands. Good luck to both teams, as well as to our technical officials.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing match number 13, Second Secondary Girls to be played between Davao del Sur and Matis City. Technical officials, players and coaches, welcome to the court.
Again, balik-balik ang panawagan ng owner natin, Mitsubishi Garage, in front of the gym, fronting, we're playing with you.
Hindi sila puro tag-15.
Mamaliw ng balhin ng parking area.
Sa Bigas 15, Bigas 15.
Location. Ay sulaw naman, apekto sa ato players. Mag-ubago pa din naman mga sakyanan ng ma'am sir.
Introducing are the players from Davao del Sur, representing Pedro A. Artes National High School. Jersey number 6, Nugget Rodriguez. Jersey number 7, Rusty Charity. Jersey number 2, Opon C. Chaisi. Jersey number 15, Susada Leslie. And jersey number 21, Maori Faki. Their coach, Miss Lobelia B.
Bawi! Tingog mo, Bags.
Introducing the players from Mapi City. Representing Mapi National Comprehensive High School. Jersey number 4, Jayan Banwit. Jersey number 5, Cristonel Tagallo. Jersey number 3, Alea Jean Colay. Jersey number 2, Rabudoy Lumaksao. And jersey number 1, Althea Lorraine Mauna. With their coach, Mr. Deng Angelo M. Camines, and assistant coach, Ms. Eleanor P. Dupa. Tactical officials of match number 13,